F&B as we knew it is game over. It's never going to be the same after what's been happening in the past couple of years. So my name is Anthony. I've been in the F&B industry for 13 years now, and I've moved from operations into digital content creation. And one of my goals with this channel is to help bring those issues to light so that we can find solutions, because it's going to change so much. Systems, inventory, the types of restaurants. You've already heard of things like
the Great Resignation.
People who've been in the industry for years aren't coming back. Well, why is that? How do we fix that? How do restaurants and bars survive if staff aren't coming back and all these other issues that are going on at the same time? How do we bring restaurants and bars into the 21st century? And that's what I want to do in my channel. I'm going to talk to chefs, bartenders, owners, educators, suppliers, whoever I can, to bring you some great insight as to how we're going to fix the F&B industry. Because I still love it. Even though I got out of operations, I still love the industry. I very much want to make sure that it's fun, it's safe, it's enjoyable for everybody else who's in it, customers and staff. So that's what this whole channel is going to be about. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, go ahead and hit this video with a like. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I look forward to being worthy of you hitting that subscribe button. All right, let's do this. How now, brown cow? How now, brown cow? So right off the bat, let's be real. F&B is never going to be the same as it was before. The entire business model is going to change. The entire business model is going to change. And